Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you, the 2024 Lexus RX. This isn't just any luxury SUV. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into what makes this vehicle so special. While other compact luxury crossovers take a sporty approach, the 2024 Lexus RX goes for a soft-riding, relaxed demeanor. Even the RX 50HF Sport Performance is neither sporty nor performant. Don't get us wrong, it gets up and goes pretty well, running to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds at our test track. But it fails to inspire spirited driving in the same way rivals such as the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and the Porsche Macan do. If you're okay with that, the RX delivers a creamy ride, an upscale cabin, and a luxury presence, which are all traits it has been offering for several generations. The cabin is spacious for both people and cargo, but if you're looking for a third row of seats, you'll need to look to the new TX SUV, which replaces the stretched RX in the Lexus lineup. What's new for 2024? A plug-in RX 45H Plus model joins the RX lineup for 2024, complete with a battery large enough for up to 35 miles of electric-only driving. The RX 45H Plus is offered only in loaded luxury trim and serves as the range-topping model with a price of more than $70,000. The plug-in hybrid powertrain is borrowed from the smaller NX 45H Plus and uses a 4-cylinder engine and 3 electric motors to make 304 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2024 RX is offered with no fewer than 4 different powertrains, starting with the base RX 350 model, which is powered by a 275 HP turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. That model comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive as standard, but all-wheel drive is an option. The hybrid RX 350H pairs electric motors with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine to make 246 horsepower and comes with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT and all-wheel drive. All models we've driven so far are just as softly sprung and focused on luxury as the outgoing generation of RX, which will please faithful buyers but is unlikely to attract any driving enthusiasts. 0 to 60 mph times at our test track. The RX 50HF Sport Performance hits 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. The RX 45OH Plus plug-in hybrid wasn't as quick as the RX 50H, needing 6.0 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour in our hands. Range, charging, and battery life. The RX 45OH Plus carries an 18.1 kWh battery pack, which can be charged up in a little over 2 hours on a 240-volt connection. This battery is said to offer up to 37 miles of electric driving range per charge, but in our testing, we managed 28 miles of highway driving before the battery ran out. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA's data shows that the most efficient RX model is the RX 350H, which carries claimed ratings of 37 mpg city and 34 mpg highway. The RX 50H is said to be good for 27 mpg city and 28 mpg highway, while the non-hybrid RX 350 earned ratings of 22 mpg city and 29 mpg highway for front-wheel drive models. The RX 45OH is said to be good for 83 mpg combined on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route. The RX 50HF Sport Performance returned 28 mpg, matching its EPA estimate, and the RX 45OH Plus managed 30 mpg in hybrid mode and 64 mpg in EV mode. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The RX is offered exclusively as a 2-row, 5-seat SUV, which makes room above it for the new 3-row TX. The RX's interior design is more modern than the last generation model, with textured fabric sections on the upper door panels, rich-looking ambient lighting, and open-pore wood trim on RX 350 models. The RX 50HF Sport Performance features more heavily bolstered front seats, black interior trim, steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, and aluminum pedals. Cargo space is generous behind the second-row seats, so there's plenty of space for a big load of groceries or several suitcases when road tripping. Infotainment and connectivity. A 9.8-inch infotainment touchscreen is parked smack in the middle of the RX's redesigned dashboard, A larger 14.0-inch screen is optional, like the smaller NX SUV. The RX's infotainment display is angled slightly toward the driver and uses Lexus's latest software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability are standard, but features such as navigation, a head-up display, and a Mark Levinson stereo system are optional. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Lexus RX starts at $49,950 and goes up to $70,580 depending on the trim and options. So there you have it, folks, the 2024 Lexus RX, a luxury SUV that not only looks and feels incredible but also sets the standard for performance, technology, and safety in its class. If you're in the market for a vehicle that's truly ahead of its time, look no further than the Lexus RX. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive trends. Until next time, drive safely and experience amazing with Lexus.